students, how are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Today we are going to solve the problem chapter 4.1 exponents and logarithm. To solve the solve the problem of exponent, we have to know some formula, and this formula are a 1 for multiplication, a to the power m into a to the power n equal a to the power m plus n. For division, a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal a to the power m minus n when m greater than n, and 1 by a to the power n minus m when n greater than m. Power of product, ab whole to the power n equal a to the power n into b to the power n. Power of quotient, a divided by b whole to the power n equal a to the power n divided by b to the power n when b equal not 0. Here we have also 0 and negative indices. If we have 0 and negative indices, we can define as follows: a to the power 0 equal 1 when a equal not 0, and a to the power minus n equal 1 by a to the power n when a equal not 0. Now we are going to a solve a creative question. Read the question attentively. Given 3 to the power 6 divided by 3 cube into 3 to the power 5 and 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 3 to the power m whole to the power n minus 1 divided by 9 to the power m plus 1 divided by 3 to the power m minus 1 whole to the power m plus 1 are two exponential expression. Problem A. What is the value of the first expression? Problem B. Show that 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 3 to the power m whole to the power n minus 1 divided by 9 to the power m plus 1 divided by 3 to the power n minus 1 whole to the power n plus 1 equal 1 by 9. Question number C. Solve root 3 whole to the power m plus 1 equal root 3 whole to the power m plus 1 equal 3 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 2m minus 1 into 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 3 to the power m whole to the power n minus 1 into 3 to the power m minus 1 into m plus 1 divided by 9 to the power m plus 1. Now we are going to solve the problem number A. In question A, we have to find out the value of first expression. Here the first expression equal 3 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 5. Now 3 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 3 plus 5. Here we apply the formula. Here we apply the formula a to the power m into a to the power n equal a to the power m plus n. Now 6 divided by 3 to the power 8. Now again we apply the formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to the power minus n. Now 3 to the power minus 2. Now 3 to the power minus 2. Here we have negative indices, so we can write 1 by 3 square since minus n equal 1 by a to the power n. So 1 by 9. That means the value of first expression is 1 by 9. Now we are going to solve the question number B. In B we have to show that 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 3 to the power m whole to the power n minus 1 divided by 9 to the power m plus 1 divided by 3 to the power n minus 1 in whole to the power m plus 1 equal 1 by 9. So left hand side equal 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 3 to the power m whole to the power m minus 1 divided 9 to the power m plus 1 divided by 3 to the power m minus 1 whole to the power m plus 1. Now 3 to the power m plus 1, here we can apply the formula m square minus m. Here we can write 3 square whole to the power m plus 1, and here we apply formula now. We can apply a formula now. Now we can write 3 to the power 2m plus 1 minus m square minus 2m plus 2 minus m square plus minus 2m minus 2 plus m square minus 1. Since a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal a to the power m minus n. Now plus 1 minus 1 3 to the power minus 2. Now we have 3 to the power minus 2. That means 1 divided by 3 square, that means 1 by 9, that means right hand side. So left hand side equal right hand side. Hope you are understand this problem. Now we are going to solve the question number C. In question number C, we have to solve the root over 3 whole to the power m plus 1 equal cube root of 3 whole to the power 2m minus 1 into 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 3 to the power m whole to the power m minus 1 into 3 to the power m minus 1 whole to the power m plus 1 divided by 9 to the power m plus 1. Now we have to solve the problem root over 3 whole to the power m plus 1 equal to cube root of 3 whole to the power 2m minus 1 into 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 3 to the power m whole to the power n minus 1 into 3 to the power m minus 1 whole to the power m plus 1 divided by 9 to the power m plus 1. So 3 to the power half whole to the power m plus 1 equal 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 into 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 3 to the power m square minus m into 3 to the power m square minus 1 divided by 3 square whole to the power m plus 1. Here we apply the formula a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power mn. Now m plus 1 divided by 2 equal 3 to the power 2m minus 1 divided by 3 into 3 to the power m plus 1 minus m square plus m into 3 to the power m square minus 1 divided by 3 to the power 2m plus 2. Now 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 2 equal 3 to the power 2m minus 1 divided by 3 into 3 to the power 2m plus 1 minus m square into 3 to the power m square minus 1 minus 2m minus 2. Here we apply the formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to the power m minus n. Now 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 2 equal 3 to the power 2m minus 1 divided by 3 into 3 to the power 2m plus 1 minus m square plus m square minus 1 minus 2m minus 2. Here we apply a to the power m into a to the power n equal a to the power m plus n. Now m plus 1 divided by 2 equal 3 to the power 2m minus 1 divided by 3 into 3 to the power minus 2. Now 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 2 equal 3 to the power 2m minus 1 divided by 3 minus 2. Since a to the power m into a to the power n equal a to the power m plus n. Now 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 2 equal 3 to the power, here we take LCM. The LCM is 3, so 2m minus 1 minus 6. Now 3 to the power m plus 1 divided by 2 equal 3 to the power 2m minus 7 divided by 3. Here we can see that the base of both sides are same. We know if the base are same, we can write power are equal. Now মার্কার গুলো ধরতেছে না। Since the base are same, so we can write m plus 1 divided by 2 equal 2m minus 7 divided by 3. That means both sides of power are equal. Now 3 to m plus 1 equal to 2 into 2m plus minus 7 equal to 3 into m plus 1. So plus 3. Now we have 4m minus 3m equal 14 plus 3. So m equal 70. That means the value of m equal 70. I hope all of you understand this question properly. Today I am going to end this class here. Be safe and be well. Thank you.